Toyota Vets. Morales Cash.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. It is Bafana Bafana 2, Uganda 2 in the African Cup of Nations qualifiers. Luckily, we escaped. We survived. Not what we wanted, but in the last moment, Talente Bata scored the equalizing goal for us, and then it means we get 1 point from the game. The giant figure next to us, his name is Shane Oluwetu Matonyane. He'll be one of the presenters at Itiski TV. So if I'm not asking the questions, he'll be asking the questions every weekend from the month of September. From next week, he'll be the one asking the questions with some of the videos as well. When I left my job at Sokala Duma, I interviewed a couple of people and I gave him the job because he was the best interviewer and he's been doing radio in Cape Town as well. So just an introduction that Shane will be part of the family as well with Itiski TV every weekend, Saturday and Sunday for the first month and going forward with all the games as well. Second, Tso Vilakazi and Ulindo Pep, they're doing umsebenzi differently as well, Gumagibo. So they're not with us tonight. So we'll have Junior, we'll have Bobo and myself as well doing the analysis. So thank you very much for your patience. Thank you, Shane. There you go. Yeah, man, we survived. It kind of feels like a loss because it's 2-2. It's the first game, Kuma AFCON qualifiers. We are playing at home. What do you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Justice.
Ngibulise ngbenye ethi Brian Baloyi.
TKJ.
Yeah, ngifanele no Brian Dawuthi yami. TKK kunjani mfethu?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Grootman Shane McGregor.
Shane. He's young. He's very young. He's big, but he's young.
Yeah, no, ngibulise Shane mfethu.
Up the bucks.
Yeah, welcome my brother ekhaya man. Yeah. Siyabonga, you're welcome and ngibulise uBobo.
Yes, sir.
Eba fethu kunjani, keep on supporting Itiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. As mina question selection Bafana with some players. We has been no question about you moving his boots with why, but I remember in France, Lela figure Lelanga whereby was marked by Mbappe. Everything was shown. I'm questioning even now this Velimoto. Why is in the Bafana? All along making question, which either way, no man have big penchi, no Guzomelangin, Adlad. Represent us today. It's in a situation where Ronan Williams is not available, injured. So here we go. Sfagalum Chitu Velimoto. When's the plan in Kulga? This is a game whereby I need to be honest, we let down by him. The goal lady goal number 2, he was not even supposed to. Okay, goal number 1, I understand, I'm shy. But goal number 2, this guy is too far. No matter so evile enkuleko lapha likudelela bhola man, it's 45 yards if not mistaken. Just lishaying incindi le bhola liphume. You are experienced goalkeepers, khuluma goalkeeper figure today. You'll question a selection. Coming to the game, we let down by 2 midfielders today, which is Domchita Mambiza Ngoyaya, Stolen and Gwen as well. This is a game that they let us down. As a coach, Urlai is to hold defensive midfielders, which is being a question with Ukran Kenkana, why is not playing? Utlale Ungezane, Wadlala Lumchita, totally. Too far amongst each other from one another, means to say. Too far. When you play there, you are new. You guys are supposed to be nearer to each other. These two, in terms of going forward, they were sitting. They were supposed to stretch when you strike a run going sideways. Okay, but now if as actually look at Ungezana become frustrated, they needed to drop up Ungezana Sale Central. Totally stay tactically good shoot anything here maybe opposite side but was winner Ipola. But now he was stretched. We were lucky we were not exposed. These guys were playing away too cautious but you've got a clever striker when you Tanzania Simbia. Number 9, very good player in terms of football player as Ipola. Leangwenya is very clever and he understand his strength sama teammate wakhe. If this guy number 7 he got the ball, he come nearer to him and then he spin off sometimes umnike enyaweni or adlale behind. So he understanding between two of them very dangerous. They're very aggressive, this guy. abadlali tactical spot on. They've got the coaching ibonile. This coach, if they are coachable, Maunga check Nkulego, they never gave us a space in terms of with this funugdala. South Africa struggled to play today with a moment in Kulmanga first half. The reason Mshishi was dropping too far, as well as the body affinate because of these two. Yaya, Ulumchito Stole, now Mkwena. Too many big passes from them. You besingekho dangerous yafinithu umshishi bekumele vela zolande nakana speed umshishi uzodlala backwards mhlamba drop shoulder backwards ngese be dangerous. Only one player stood up for us today, ulo mfana lo Apolse. But yes, because Ipola mang every time this guy oveli motor play Mdiba open body, he play Apolse. We become dlala, and credit to this boy. I mean, for me, that's why ngithi analysis as coaches ngikhuluma ngebench lethu sibona amanye ama-sub angi-understand ukuthi game siyayibheka na amanye lithi just siyacakela ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyomkhipha and blame I'm going to substitute him. This guy first half he was our main player. We played in the side 1. He came at being a balance. It's only side will function. He had an outstanding game, Mfana. How many got a shot on target? How many crosses, square pass? That was so dangerous. That Mfana was delivered. Many of them, I think 3, 4, very dangerous. Now at any given time, I'm getting anything. Need somebody just to the right and finish it. But he needed the support. Senkulma Mshishi dropping too much. Ube na moment na first half, but not much. Confident ku Sundowns, the team ebona indlela ukudlala kanjani. Mkwena when I think about factor going to the national team. This team, then bebangayisabi South Africa. They never fear South Africa. These guys, very aggressive. They pressing. They was allow slale, but in the middle tight 1v1. I'm a full pekwabo. Nabantu abasociety they stay. Balawa these two. Ungezana and totally stay. They play. Ugudbadlala malong pole. Ufunu Froster. That's all. Bafunu klang second pole. And these two defenders always awaken number 6 wabo. Credit to these guys. Banani when number 10 years pola. Umchite beka badlalisa but dangerous. Not playing just to good game management or play dangerous balls. It's just said to good somehow opinion umgezana nalis guy totally. Good beba was good win. Lama pola lomchita because amukadlala ngoba striker sabe masithatha amaran bawakave bazama ukuthi bakhavana. Second half I don't understand why Hugo Bros mina uzombona manje uyale. Angithi urulane isikhona. Mina uzombona. Like njenganamhlanje he didn't need bekungamelanga. I mean Helman those assistant coaches udlalile Helman iGroupman ngihlonipha kakhulu Helman lapha bekumele ama-advice bekungamelanga akhiphe lo mfana Apolse. Leave that. He was the only.
Yeah, you could hear the crowd. Abalandeli Orlando, they were not happy with that substitution.
No problem. International football is going to struggle. Linking any decision making. That's why international is going to struggle. He can't make a space for himself. He want to play. Ipola mabadala behind the defense and speed. That's all. Ipola funny thinking. So, aside lalo mfana yilo bel function. Because no ngena phakathi combine. Though noma bebangatholi ipola from our midfielders. So why substituting that boy? You needed to add the attack. Leave that boy faka yena lo mfana umkwena. Lo mfana noma ngabe umiseka right, wamiyeka umfuke ngapha ka left. I'm sure Nkuleko ngabe goal number 3 shayo 2 goals here in this game. You understand ngoba mawukhipha this guy ufaka umfukeng still with this function kule side ngoba lela side umrena not much umrena na ngimbonile esungenile more umuntu engimbonile mina umdawo supporting umrena njoba ngisho second more or less game. Credit to ithi the move le bayenzile le azange sibe nama moment to create la chance wathole first half because of bese kuphuma Apolse and we let down by 2 midfielders wethu goal number 2 la bantu ngifuna ukwazi lo mfana lo sithola uthenelana lapha. You can't lose the ball lapha. You are more central there. And why this ngikhuluma nga 2 defensive midfielders why ningapressanga ngoba yenzekile situation yabo umkwena come in.
It's the first goal that they scored. Goal number 1.
Goal number 2. It's a rocket. Goal number 2. Oh, goal number 1. I meant to say. Yeah, yes. Why did you are right.
Yaya Stole lost the ball.
Yes.
And then they gave the player who scored too much space.
Yeah, in number 2 leli balisha umoto. Lela bola lela ngifuna ukwazi why training lapha yana. I mean he's an international player. Play where you face. Aka screen anga lapho vele wa 10 wenenze ka 2. I think today vele beka kule game uSlete down banomkwena. These guys playing in the middle they never played. In most people badlala ngama side, yabo, especially side la left. Yilo bel dangerous because this guy was going kumdawo and bal overload and left back is support. Yangana right not much. Beba basebenza ngale side. So second half njoba ngisho not much eside lethu. Credit to coach ukulahlela lo mfana lo. The best player currently South African nayo umfana umfuking. The boy kuye kaba nama changes. We change the game mfana. The touches he never had moment amaning but the touches movement ilethi ukuthi kube ne goal. Nah, the goal. We got the goal. Credit to talent Mbatha as well.
Yeah, good goal.
I give him. Yabo mfana credit utholakala endaweni right ngoba uzukorele la ball I cross le utholakala lapha weaker foot. Credit to the guy cause the game the coach was lucky. Hugo Broos was like, he was tested in this game. Too many players that were tested in this game. We're lucky to get it wrong. Because you can't.
Let me ask you something. Based on your observation here, was there a difference in quality between us and Uganda?
Not much.
Pound for pound.
Yeah, not much of the quality. In Shanghai energy. Yabo, bona energy questionable. They don't have quality much. Aside but 3 players. When you strike our number 7 and number 10. Other players not bad because Kone by Fagin Mfishani Engeneza Sa
21.
Yes, 21. He's not a bad player. Lipo lel killer, le look goalkeeper Langena. Leanto Lea Angayanga backwards. Alshala. You need to be technically superior. So we ask good quality. Equality side in Labo, but not much. But different I say too much. Because even our players now, was failing a money babu today, we game today. You understand? So we're lucky. We need to be honest. This is a game whereby we're playing home. We're supposed to dominate this game in terms of ball possession, also hitting the opponent. Ubalance nama side to glala. Nama sub, coach is sub play with the keeper chita balls. Ilento creme, we good things keeper no mga
Let's wrap it up. I think the most important question now is about Tuveli Moto. On Tuesday we're playing. It's an important qualifier against South Sudan away from home. There's a decision that needs to be made there. What would you do?
Yeah, there's a say mfana makenza a mistake, you don't have to go to mbeke bench in. But Tuveli Moto mfana is a seasoned player. He's been at Bafana on the bench for many years. So if he's not equality, so just play Ricardo Coates. One of the best goalkeeper for me. The Chileana, I know good one by undermine. Give that guy a chance and fit. Like you give our Ronan Williams. I understand they are China. International football not much. One of the best goalkeeper current now China. Yabo club level is doing so well. Go betway Premiership.
But when you go into Sudan, you're giving it to China, to Ricardo Costa.
Yes. That's all. Mina ngicela nje Ricardo Costa come in there. Bamka a chance naye. Sibone ukuthi lentenzo lomchita uzoyenza because Ricardo Costa I know is very good lomchita and his experienced goalkeeper. He's been it Bafana noma ngabe angadlali. He's going to do well. Tuesday plays Ricardo Costa.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junel. See you on Tuesday. Hopefully the whole team will be here, squad, on Tuesday as well. So and Lindo Pep will be joining us as well on Tuesday. There you have it then. Bafana, very lucky to escape with a draw. Thank you to Talet Mbata and Aubrey Modiba for the composure in that moment to try and find the cross there. So at least instead of 0, both of us have 1 point. That means in the group, no one has 3 points so far. There's also Congo and South Sudan in the group. We needed to win the first game, but we did not. We shall see what happens on Tuesday. It is Good TV, it is Good Times. We're Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.